Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from searchpeoplefree.net. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. In searchpeoplefree.net website, perform a search on the site using your first and last name, then copy the associated web address. From the search results, find your record and click Open Report. In the next window that opens, you will see detailed personal information about yourself. Locate the web address of your record and copy the URL seen on the top of the window. At the very bottom of the website, click the Remove My Info under Legal Info. Click on the Filling Out this form link in the paragraph under Remove My Info. Form for contact information for opting out will then appear. Log into Google and fill out the form and then submit. Confirmation of your opt-out submission will be displayed. Congratulations on opting out of searchpeoplefree.net. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.